हेलो वर्ड डिटेक्टिव्स, वेलकम। आज हम मिलकर एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग वर्ड मिस्ट्री सॉल्व करने वाले हैं। आर यू रेडी? ओके, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। ओके, सो सबसे पहले हैव अ लुक एट द स्क्रीन। यहाँ 3 वर्ड्स हैं, रेनबो, पुलिसमैन, डे ड्रीम। इनमें आपस में क्या सीक्रेट कनेक्शन है? व्हाट डू यू थिंक दे ऑल हैव इन कॉमन? सोचो सोचो। गॉट एनी आइडियाज?
Well, if you guessed it, you are absolutely right. The big secret is ये सारे के सारे हैं compound words. And today हम इन्हीं का कोड क्रैक करने वाले हैं.
So, what exactly is a compound word? It's actually really simple. जब दो छोटे अलग-अलग वर्ड्स मिलकर एक नया वर्ड बनाते हैं जिसका एक बिल्कुल नया मीनिंग होता है, उसे कहते हैं a compound word. You know, it's kind of like two words teaming up to become a new superhero word.
चलें? Let's start our investigation. Our very first clue, our first piece of evidence, is a word you probably used just this morning. Breakfast.
Now, this is really cool. The word breakfast actually दो छोटे वर्ड से बना है, break and fast. Now, fast का मतलब होता है to not eat. रात को जब हम सोते हैं, we are technically fasting. So सुबह उठकर you break your fast. Simple, right?
And here's a perfect example of how we use it. For instance, I eat cereal for breakfast.
That was a great start, detectives. Let's keep moving. हमारा अगला word है policeman.
Let's break this one down too. We've got two very clear words here, police और man. So जब एक से ज़्यादा मेल पुलिस ऑफिसर्स होते हैं, हम उन्हें कहते हैं policeman. Easy peasy.
And let's see it in a sentence. A policeman is standing near the traffic signal.
Okay, next up on our investigation list is a word जो हम सब दिन में बहुत बार यूज करते हैं, goodbye.
Now this one might surprise you a little, but yes, the word goodbye is also a compound word. It's actually made from two super simple words, good and bye. Isn't that interesting?
And of course, we use it all the time like this. Goodbye, see you next week.
You are all doing an amazing job. Let's get to our next word. Let's see how this one builds. The word is daydream.
I think this one is pretty obvious once you see it. We have day or dream. यानी दिन में देखे जाने वाले ख्वाब. So when you're thinking about something pleasant instead of, paying attention to what's happening, you're daydreaming.
For example, you could say something like this. He has a habit of daydreaming when he is bored.
All right, detectives, we're getting so close to solving the whole case. Let's crack our next word. Afternoon.
Again, this one is super clear once you break it down. We've got after and we've got noon. नून का मतलब होता है 12 PM, दिन के 12 बजे. So, वो टाइम जो आफ्टरनून आता है is, you guessed it, afternoon.
And here is a classic way we use it. I return home from school in the afternoon. And now it's time for our final clue of the day. And hey, this is one of the words we started our whole mystery with. The word is rainbow.
Oh, this is such a beautiful one. Rainbow is made from rain and bow. A bow is a shape, like an arch that you see in the sky after the rain. And that's how we get rainbow.
Just listen to this sentence. It totally paints a picture in your mind. We saw a rainbow in the sky.
And with that final clue, case closed. You did it, detectives. You have successfully cracked the code of compound words. Now let's just do a quick review of all the clues we found.
So let's look at our summary. Breakfast बना break plus fast. Policeman was police plus men. Goodbye was good plus bye. Daydream बना day plus dream. Afternoon was after plus noon. और हमारा last word rainbow was rain plus bow. Fantastic work, everyone.
So, what's the big takeaway here? It's that compound words are absolutely everywhere. And now your real mission begins. I want you to become a real-life word detective. Look around you in your books, on TV. Listen carefully when people talk. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to find out how many new compound words can you find by the end of the day. Good luck.